As an entrepreneur, when should I start thinking about the hook model?
As early as possible. Because the idea here is, well, I'll tell you a personal story. So I've been at 2 companies, and one of my, at the last startup that I helped found, one of the problems we constantly had was, what do we build? Right? So we were big believers in the lean startup methodology of build, measure, learn, customer development, big believers in that, still am. But we always had this challenge of, what do we build next? Right? This is where all the blood, sweat, and tears and money all go. It's the building. Testing and learning, right? Measuring and learning, that's easy, that's fun.
Right.
It's the building that's hard. So the question we constantly had was, what do we build next? Do we build what the VCs say we should build? Do we build what the loudest customers say we should build? Do we build what people who write into customer support say we should build? What do we build? And so what I propose is that instead of just guessing or taking a shot at or dot voting even based on what the team thinks, we need some kind of framework based on how people actually behave, because it turns out that just asking people what they want is not a really great measure, because people can only articulate certain things. There's all these inarticulatable needs that drive our behavior, and people couldn't tell you actually drive their behavior.
Right.
So instead of just guessing, we need consumer psychology to help us build the right thing sooner. We still have to do build, measure, learn, right? We're still going to mess up. We're not going to build perfect products the first time. The idea is we can build the right thing sooner by basing what we build on the foundations of consumer psychology.